Nothing's CMF is gearing up to make a strong comeback with the launch of the CMF Phone 2 Pro on April 28th. Early hands-on teasers have given a clear picture of what this phone might offer. Over the past few weeks, teasers have steadily increased the anticipation. The design seems more refined, the performance appears more capable, and the camera system looks significantly improved, making this device one to watch in the mid-range segment. The CMF Phone 2 Pro introduces a bold new look with a dual-tone finish in striking orange and clean white options. Its design brings back the rotating dial and visible screws, strongly suggesting that users will be able to swap out the rear panel. This year, the camera module has expanded from 2 to 3 lenses, indicating a serious upgrade. And the sample pictures taken from the phone have given a pretty good idea how good the camera is going to be. On the front, the phone is rumored to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, promising both vibrant visuals and a seamless user experience. There's also talk of a new essential key, a shortcut feature already available in the Nothing Phone 3A series. This new essential button will be used for AI features in future. By the way, what's your take on this new addition? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, in the camera department, the Phone 2 Pro makes a noticeable leap forward. It's expected to feature a triple lens setup, led by a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. This configuration not only improves image versatility, but also aligns the phone's photography capabilities with the more premium Nothing lineup. By the way, all these upgrades will definitely come at an increased cost, so be prepared for that. When it comes to performance, the CMF Phone 2 Pro is likely to run on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro chip. Paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, it should handle daily tasks with ease while offering enough headroom for heavier usage. The device may ship with Nothing OS 3.1 based on Android 15, and it's expected to be backed by a 5,000 mAh battery that supports 50-watt fast charging, delivering both endurance and quick top-ups. Price is going to be a major factor, and current leaks suggest that the CMF Phone 2 Pro could be priced at around $300 or 22,000 rupees in India. Considering the original CMF Phone 1 launched at 15,999 rupees, this model still fits well within the affordable range while offering features usually reserved for more expensive phones. Overall, the CMF Phone 2 Pro looks like it's ready to impress. With its upgraded cameras, faster chip, smoother display, and thoughtful design changes, it's shaping up to be a strong contender in the budget segment. As we move closer to the April 28th launch, all eyes are on CMF to see if they can deliver a phone that lives up to the growing buzz. What are your thoughts about the CMF Phone 2 Pro? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.